Think about the mechanics of running a live event. You're forced to constantly toggle between a slide deck, a separate video player, and camera software, hoping nothing crashes during the handoff. Most modern presentation platforms attempt to solve this by moving everything to the cloud, but that introduces a single point of failure: the venue's internet connection. If you get disconnected, the entire event stops. MyxxSlides was built as a structural solution for modern creators to eliminate these exact vulnerabilities. The core philosophy here is sequence. The platform is designed to operate as a completely offline, local engine first, before any advanced tools are layered on top. By removing the network as a variable, the presenter ensures that the response time of their media is determined solely by the local hardware they control, rather than an external connection. This localized processing forms the free offline use forever tier. The core engine runs entirely on your local machine, without ever requiring a registered account or a Wi-Fi signal to function. This diagram shows how the system natively processes heavy local assets. High-resolution videos and complex PDFs are routed directly into a central presentation hub on your device, bypassing the cloud completely to ensure zero lag. Once ingested, the built-in gallery system automatically organizes these local files. Because they reside purely on the local drive, you can retrieve and display any asset without waiting for a buffer. By isolating the processing to your own hardware, you guarantee a baseline of performance. Even in a venue with spotty or non-existent internet, the presentation environment remains secure. With that local foundation secured, the challenge becomes live execution. Managing complex multimedia requires precision. This schematic illustrates the all-in-one console. It places controls for scriptures, videos, and remote settings in side-by-side vertical panels, keeping every tool within a single field of view. The console allows for live text customization during the event. You can scale font sizes up to 1.5, swap styles to heavy impact fonts, and toggle background states between a clear, transparent look and a solid glow. Visual layers are integrated directly into this same control space. You can deploy webcam picture-in-picture overlays and execute instant snap transitions seamlessly over the current slides. The dashboard even houses a native recording function to capture the live screen, operating smoothly even while you play back embedded YouTube videos. Consolidating these historically disjointed software tools into one centralized interface eliminates the friction and latency between a presenter's thought and their on-screen execution. Beyond general media, the system includes specialized text modules engineered specifically for fast-paced speaking engagements, like a Sunday church service. The quick-release verse system takes a search input, like chapter and verse 316, and instantly splits the output for display. This enables live translation comparison, placing languages like English and Tagalog side by side, or comparing versions like the NIV instantly. Embedding highly specialized lookup tools directly next to a standard multimedia player gives modern speakers a hybrid capability to adapt their message on the fly. A robust local system provides the ultimate failsafe. However, scaling up to high-end production eventually requires mobility and automation. This is where the premium tier activates tools like the AI OCR scanner, which reads physical documents and instantly translates them into formatted live slides. It also unlocks the AI Keyword Suggest tool. If a speaker pivots, they can enter abstract themes like faith or love to generate relevant topical references on demand. Signing into an account using Google or email credentials activates the wireless phone remote, which untethers the presenter from the physical console entirely. That same authenticated premium account enables automatic cloud backup and cross-device sync, protecting your saved presentations across multiple pieces of hardware. Because these features sit on top of the localized core, cloud-based mobility and AI automation serve strictly to enhance the presentation, rather than acting as a structural vulnerability. The platform's architecture scales across 3 tiers: a local core designed for continuous offline access, a unified live console for media management, and a cloud layer for remote mobility. You can explore this entire workflow by accessing the 7-day free trial, which requires no credit card, to unlock all premium tools immediately. Set up to console, test the remote, and run this exact workflow live during your event this Sunday. When the workspace is structured to handle media locally and management centrally, the technical variables are reduced to a level where the presenter can focus entirely on their message.